Welcome back to Wadget Tech Talk, your daily dose of the latest smartphone leaks and tech updates. Today, we're talking about the Realme 16 Pro, which has just been exposed in a brand new leak, revealing its storage variants, color options, and even its identity code. Realme's numbered series refreshes every 6 months, and since the Realme 15 lineup came out in July, it's almost time for the next generation. According to a trusted Indian leaker, Abhishek Yadav, the upcoming Realme 16 Pro, also known by its model number RMX5120, is already making noise online. And here's what the leak confirms. The Realme 16 Pro is expected to launch in 4 storage trims, sticking with the brand's mid-range philosophy. We're looking at 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, likely the most affordable variant, 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 512GB, the top-end option for power users. So Realme is keeping the same storage strategy as the previous Realme 15 Pro, which means we can expect competitive pricing again. Now talking about the design, Realme is preparing 3 new color options for this 5G smartphone. These include Pebble Grey, Master Gold, and Orchid Purple. These colors look refreshing and could set the tone for Realme's 2026 design language. As for the specs, the leak didn't reveal much, but since Realme follows a short 6-month refresh cycle, major changes are unlikely. So what can we expect? If the brand follows the Realme 15 Pro's blueprint, the 16 Pro may feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, 1.5K sharp resolution, Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, a 50-megapixel main plus 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera setup, and a huge 7,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging. And honestly, even if Realme copies the 15 Pro specs, the 16 Pro will still be a solid mid-range beast. This is just the beginning. More leaks are expected in the coming days, so stay tuned. The Realme 16 series is heating up fast. Make sure to subscribe to Wadget Tech Talk for the latest updates, and I'll see you in the next video.